Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Thermometer. Number 5, Winco TMT OV3B001B4 Coupe 3-inch dial. Oven thermometer. Temperature range 50 to 500 degree Fahrenheit. Built-in hanging hook and standing panel. NSF certified product. Hack guideline on dial. Number 4, True Temp Refrigerator Freezer Thermometer. Six thermometer pack with 2.5-inch dial design. Accurate from -20 degrees to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Deluxe two-way bracket hangs or stands. Durable stainless steel. Safe temperature zone indicators. Number 3, Taylor Precision Products Nicolife Classic Series Large. Large dial with red indicator makes the freezer thermometer easy to read. Measures temperature ranges from -20 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, also can read by Celsius. Stainless steel construction provides strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. Y-base and integrated hook allow it to be placed anywhere in the refrigerator. We provide long-time quality guarantee. Deserve to get. Number 2, Agurito 06208 Stainless Steel Oven Thermometer. Oven and grill safe for leave-in use while cooking. Measures temperatures from 150 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Durable, stainless steel construction with protective glass lens. Integrated hanger for easy mounting or stands upright on base. Limited 10-year warranty. Number 1, Stainless Steel Instant Read Oven / Grill / Smoker Monitoring. Large dial with red indicator makes the oven thermometer easy to read. Measures temperature ranges from 100 degrees to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, also can read by Celsius. Stainless steel construction provides strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. Why base and integrated hook allow it to be placed anywhere in the oven. We provide long-time quality guarantee. Deserve to get